The joint United Nations Program for Peace Consolidation, Conflict Prevention and Human Security in the Republic of Congo is an initiative which seeks to contribute to the consolidation of peace and social stability, provide sustainable livelihoods to vulnerable populations, and enhance the overall level of human security in the Republic of Congo. The project specifically aims to complete the reintegration of community members, improve delivery of and access to basic social services, and to support community empowerment and promote a culture of peaceful coexistence targeting 5 communities in the Pool region. As part of the program activities, the holiday camp for the children of the target communities is an activity formulated under the Objective 3.1 as follows: a civic education framework and a peace building and conflict prevention program are developed to ensure mutual understanding and overcome the socialization of violence in 5 areas to benefit community members. As indicated in the project document, 3 holiday camps will take place respectively in 2012, 2013, and 2014. The initial holiday camp 2012 in Kinkala brought together 120 youths comprising 65 girls and 55 boys from 3 communities of the Pool region: Kinkala, Boko, and Minduli. The program team has undertaken to promote and disseminate the human security concept and deepen its understanding and acceptance nationwide. Initial dissemination activities start in the target Pool region as part of the holiday camp. A university teacher and government official works closely with the program coordination team to promote the human security approach. All the participants were encouraged to live in community, to build and strengthen friendship and peaceful coexistence. Upon arrival, they received their first meal. The holiday camp has proven to be an outstanding opportunity for the young people of the Pool region to socialize with one another. The UN program staff discussed with the participants and provided the first instructions to guide the behavior in the camp. The holiday camp has been designed to support youths to emerge as peace builders of their communities with a view to enhancing human security in all its forms. The human security approach formulated in the project document requires the use of a holistic, multi-dimensional, and multi-sectoral approach. HIV prevalence at the national level is 4.2%. Only 11% of women and 25.4% of men ranging from 15 to 49 years of age are familiar with knowledge on HIV/AIDS. During the conflict, ex-combatants and youths were actively involved in rape and other forms of sexual violence. These rapes were often perpetrated without minimum protection against HIV/AIDS. This has resulted in higher HIV prevalence among youths, which need to be addressed as part of the comprehensive and integrated post-conflict response the joint UN program is designed to achieve. The holiday camp was one of the events to convey messages on HIV/AIDS. The sessions to raise awareness on issues of HIV/AIDS, drug and tobacco addiction were implemented by the UN Health Theme Group. Following sessions on HIV/AIDS, which called for increased awareness on the dangers of the disease, sensitization sessions were held on the harmful effects of drug and tobacco addiction. Addressing sexual violence is a vital component of the joint UN program for human security. Sensitization sessions were held on sexual violence and its harmful effects by the expert of the United Nations Population Fund. At the end of 6 days of holiday camp, the participants came up with their impressions They highly appreciated the initial holiday camp and called for the UN agencies to organize other holiday camps. In their view, the holiday camp as a joint program activity remains a praiseworthy initiative. Their wish is in line with the UN plan, as other holiday camps are slated to take place in 2013 and 2014, with a larger number of participants from the 5 target communities of the Pôle region. The closing ceremony of the initial holiday camp was chaired by the Minister of Civic Education and Youth in the presence of the acting resident coordinator and other heads of UN agencies. The Minister of Civic Education and Youth came up with his assessment of the holiday camp. He focused on the need to enhance family moral values which are being eroded under the influence of emerging society.